Right, go on then. Right, take two. This is my boyfriend, Philip Riding, being in Anorak with his aeroplane. He's going to fly it and show you how well he flies it. And I've got to try and keep it in video. We're over Wanstead Flats, where I used to come as a child with my Auntie Joan, my sister. And I can't believe it. Oh, God! Do you think that's funny, do you? This has blown my street cred. I'm not sure that I can put this on Facebook.
I've got loads of street cred.
No, you haven't.
Oh, and this I have.
Yeah, right. Who did you teach? What was the man of the name you taught how to fly this? It's flies
Richard
there.
Branson.
Richard Branson. Oh, yeah, you did, didn't you? That's it. That's how he's a millionaire now, and we're not. You just concentrate on this aeroplane. It's a lovely afternoon over at...
no wind whatsoever.
No, perfect flying weather. This is for an Anorak.
I don't know if I can get days like this. Okay, I'm going to come into land and catch it. Nice long approach.
And that is that. Mr. Anorak.